Good morning. It's been a while, so I will be catching up with you on what's been happening and what God's been doing in my life and some of the struggles I've had and I've had to pull away, and the enemy just wants to shut me down, but he's a loser. You know, I do know the areas that he wants to shut God's people down, especially those that are wanting to share the gospel. So it's through other religious spirits. And anyway, it's been a tough year and a half. But God's saying, get back on board, get back on the horse again. And I do have some great things to share with you, powerful things that God's been doing. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day. This is Saturday, July 16th. And I will be back soon. I'm just here picking up my 5-month-old granddaughter, and I will have her for the next couple of days. But I promise you that I will be back and to be sharing the glorious things about Lord Jesus Christ and his miracles. So to encourage you and also encourage myself, I need to speak it and keep it going and fresh. It's like a river, not a what do they say, a reservoir. So God bless you. Bye.